take a slow breath and allow your heart to soften. As this journey begins, let the quiet rhythm of nature guide your thoughts, and let every scene remind you of the greatness of the One who created all things. From the moment the drone rises, the world reveals itself with a peaceful majesty. The land stretches far beyond the horizon, mountains carved by time, valleys shaped by wind, rivers glowing like gentle silver threads. Every detail carries a quiet message that creation is not only beautiful, but sacred. The soft rain falls like a blessing, each drop touching the earth with tenderness. It whispers that God's mercy comes quietly, yet it reaches everything. And the distant birds, singing through the mist, weave their melodies like small prayers, floating freely through the open air. Their voices remind us that even the smallest creatures praise the Creator in their own gentle way. As the drone glides higher, the landscape unfolds like a living tapestry. Forests breathe slowly, their canopies swaying with a grace that feels almost spiritual. Hills rise and fall like the steady heartbeat of the earth, and the clouds drift above them, soft, calm, glowing, moving as if carried by a divine hand. Look closely, and you can feel the harmony that holds everything together. The world below does not rush, it does not compete, it simply exists, balanced, patient, and full of life. In this stillness, we see the wisdom of the Almighty, who creates with precision, yet expresses beauty in the simplest forms. The camera glides over rivers that reflect the sky, over trees that have stood for generations, over fields washed in gentle light. Each scene reminds us that the earth is alive and that its beauty is not an accident. It is a gift, quiet, constant, and filled with grace. Let your mind sink into this calm. Let every breath match the rhythm of the clouds drifting slowly across the sky. Here, in this view from above, the world feels different, softer, purer, closer to the way it was meant to be. As the journey continues, the rain softens, the birds continue their song, and the land glows beneath the moving light. Everything feels connected: the mountains, the water, the wind, the open sky. And in that connection, you can feel the presence of the One who made all of this possible. This is not just scenery. This is a reminder that we are small, yet deeply cared for, that the earth is vast, yet filled with gentle details shaped by God's kindness, that every sunrise, every river, every falling drop of rain is a quiet invitation to pause, to breathe, to remember. And as the drone slowly begins its descent, the world becomes closer again, warm, familiar, peaceful. Carry this stillness with you. Carry the gratitude, the calm, the quiet wonder, because the beauty you have seen is not just in the landscape, it is in the heart of the Creator who designed it. May this view bring you peace. May it remind you of the greatness above everything. And may you walk gently, knowing that this magnificent earth is a gift from God